loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. God blessing Audrey, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. So in this video, I'll be taking you guys to this new paintball arena here in Oka. This is actually the very first one and the only one that we have here in Oka, and you guys know by now that I like to show you guys cool places to have fun in Oka because we don't have so much. So when I find new ones, I always like to just put you guys on. Okay, so I'll be going there to check it out. I've not contacted the owner of the place or anything like that, the management, so I'm just going to go there because I heard I just needed to go there and see for myself. So that's what I'll be doing, and hopefully everything works out. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm not playing any games at all because I'm only going with my friend, and I don't think that's enough to make a team. Okay, so I think we'll just go there and see how it works, tell you guys how much it costs, and just the location and everything that you need to know. Okay, so if you like this type of videos, definitely keep on watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and also turn on your post notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, let's get going. Okay, guys, I'm here now, and as you can see, this is a paintball place, and this is called COD Paintball Arena, yeah, in Oka. Behind, I'm going to write the address on the screen, so let's go inside and see what it looks like. Come with me.
This one is waste.
But there is no paint inside now.
Paint is inside. But they are just trying to drop it.
Oh. Whoa.
So this is what we count. If I shoot you. perfection. You make use of it. Just make use of the time.
Oh my god, I just touched myself. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, but I wanted to tell you guys a little more about the COD Paintball Arena or car. Yes, I'm excited for this, to be honest, because I feel like for a very long time we've not had so much to do in this city, so it's good to have something fresh to do. Okay, so it's located at 64 Abakiliki Street. If you're trying to get the place, it's like right beside Ibiza Napoli. Okay, once you get to Ibiza, there is a turn by your left. Okay, right beside it there's an untarred road. That is where it is. Just take a little drive or few steps and you're going to get it. It's very easy for you to access, or you can ask anybody. COD Arena, Paintball Arena, very easy for you to access. It is not difficult at all. That is one of the reasons why I like the place. And also, if you can use the address I have on the screen right here, it will take you directly to the place. Okay, once you use it on your map, it's very easy for you to access. Okay, just try these two options, whichever one works for you, go for it. Okay, so another thing I would say is I like the location of the place. Like, I really like how busy it is. It's a place where you don't have to go from one place to another. They have other things around that area. There are so many bars, there's so many fun activities around that area that you can, enjoy. That is another thing I really love about that place. Okay, and I also like the fact that they have a place where you can eat in the same compound, the same environment. There's a place you can eat, there's a place you can drink, so it's even more fun, I feel, because when there's food, drinks, it just sets the mood right. So one thing I wasn't so cool with about this place is the fact that their grass was pulling out. Okay, some places were already pulling out, but then we asked them and they said that they were going to start renovating it. That is what they said. Okay, and at the same time they said that you can go ahead and play the games, it doesn't affect it. Okay, but I don't know if it's like that because I've never been to a paintball place, so I don't know what to expect. They have the shoes for the games, they have the suits for it, they have the jackets, they have the helmets, they have the guns. So they have 10 guns. Okay, so 5 on each side. And also how they do the pricing is each person pays for the number of balls that you want. So let's say you want 100 balls, you have to pay 7,500 for that. And if you're going for 50 balls, you pay 5,000 naira for that. And let's say in the middle of the game your paint balls finishes, you can go ahead and pay extra 3,500 naira, which will give you 30 balls. That is how it works with them. Okay, hopefully one of these days I go there and just have the fun over there, because I really enjoyed my time there. It was so cool just pointing guns and pretending like I was shooting somebody. So I feel like I would definitely want to go there again and just like really explore it. This time I just went there to show you guys, just in case you're also as bored as I am and you're looking for nice places to go to, you might want to check that place out. And I don't know about the prices. I can't really say if it's expensive or affordable. I honestly do not know, because I've never been to any paintball arena before, so I can't tell. But then if you think it's too expensive, let me know in the comment section below. If you think the price is amazing, also let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. For real, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next one.
Looking on my back and you are still the same.